Hello, this is Team22. Our project is SparkyBot. For Sprint-5, our sprint goal is set up issues with Mac, refactoring commands, Sparky appeals, Sparky to do, and sample test framework for Slack bot testing. During the sprint, we were not able to complete our sprint goal, that is as whole, set up, refactor, Sparky appeals, Sparky to do, sample test framework. We were able to complete setting up a sample test framework and also figuring out the setup issues with MySQL, Mac and MySQL. We also completed Sparky info command, refactoring Sparky info command. So here's a small demo of the setup sample test framework. The idea behind sample test framework is we wanted to be able to test our Slack Bolt server with other HTTP-based servers so that we can evaluate our project, our functionalities before even testing. So there are these three simple commands called test frame location, which gives hey location. There is test frame time,
showing on the screen,
which gives a hey time. There is test frame weather, which gives hey weather. Now our HTTP server, it looks something like this. We can test each individual command. Time gives hey time, weather gives hey weather, location gives hey weather. And we can also test simultaneously all the commands, which evaluates all of them. The idea behind these is that this framework evaluates the functionalities and routes lying behind the Slack Bolt.js, gets the responses and evaluates them across the expected functionality and lets us know whether the functionality is foolproof or not. And I'll pass it on to the next statement.
Hi, this is Mary from Team22, and in this sprint, we also worked on setting up the appeal and the to-do channel, so they work. So I'm going to go on the appeal channel right here, invoke the / command. Can you pause it real quick?
Go.
Okay, so for this, we created the appeal channel right here to invoke the appeal / command. So it will pop up in this channel. And then we also created the to-do channel to invoke the Sparky to-do channel. So that way the / command will work in this channel. And that's my contribution, creating the channel and trying to invoke the appeal and the to-do / command. The next member can take over.
Hi, I'm Praneeth. So for this sprint, I worked on refactoring the to-do command, which is not completed, and I also worked on storyless tasks for database updations and app.js refactoring. So when the app got updated to newer version, so there are some OAuth workflow which need to be updated. So the app.receiver is not correctly working for the OAuth workflow, which I added, updated the receiver to do that, and I also updated the sign.html view and the way it can be accessed. Yeah, the next teammate can go on.
Okay, this is Vishesh, and for this sprint, I worked on commands Sparky invite members, which is almost done. Just waiting on confirmation whether it should invite everybody on the server. Sparky info as well, which works, and I also deployed a version update patch and made the receiver independent of the app instance to fix some issues. So this is our sprint breakdown for this sprint. And this is our current pending backlog. And that's it from me. Thank you.